Tech guys, it's Friday na!
Hey guys! Welcome sa ating first episode ng TGIF. Today, I'll be discussing about social planner. Yes, pwede din kay Go High Level ang mag-create at mag-schedule ng post almost lahat ng mga sikat na social media platform ngayon. Go to your sub account, go to marketing, this one. Click mo lang yan. Once you click the marketing tab, bubungad na sa inyo yung social planner. And then, if bagong account pa lang to, magpa-prompt sa inyo yung dashboard na i-connect any two social accounts to start with. So, dito, pwede tayong mag-connect ng Facebook, GMB, ConnectX, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. What are the features of this social planner? So nakikita nyo dito, upload bulk social posts with CSV, review and approve posts before posting, leverage the comprehensive collection of templates, and generate evergreen content with AI. So let's try connecting one. So connect natin yung Facebook page natin. So click mo lang to, connect Facebook, and then magpa-prompt itong another browser to connect you to your page. Okay, so ngayon kasi nakakonect na yung Facebook ka dito and this will prompt agad sa iyong dashboard. So which Facebook accounts do you want to connect? So I have two profiles connected here, my Kristen Roams and the Go Vanguard Solution. So I will add this Kristen Roams, okay? And then I will click add. It's now connected. Ayan, connected na siya. And if you want to add another one, pwede mo rin i-add to. Pero for now, let's stick with the Facebook. So, meron na tayong Facebook. So, now, let's get started by clicking this. Alright, so connected na yung ating Facebook. So, you can add accounts pa by just clicking here on the top left, itong icon na to. And then, there's an option here to add account. And then you can add to your TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and many more. There's two ways sa paano mag-post. So we have this create new post. And then meron din sa top left na create new post. Ano nga ba mag-create ng scheduled post dito sa Go High Level? So click nyo lang tong create new post or yung new post sa top right. And then pipili kayo ng account nyo, ng social media account na gusto nyong pag-postan. Kaya marami kayong account na pwedeng ma-post dito para isang post na lang, isang click na lang, and then mapopost na siya ng sabay-sabay sa lahat ng social media platform. So, you can add multiple accounts here. Pero for now, isang account lang yung na-connect natin, then i-click natin yan. And then, since Facebook ito, we can post via a normal post or sa Reels. Ito, pag kinilik ko tong Reels, pwede ka nang maglagay ng video by clicking this. Click natin. Hanap tayo ng video. Wala yatang video dito. Pero mag-upload tayo. Wait nyo lang siya ma-upload. So, mabagal ang ating internet ngayon at ang hirap niya mag-upload. Ay, ayan na. So, ayan na. Na-upload na natin siya. And then, we're just gonna click this. And it should be there. And ayan, naglo-load lang siya. After that, if satisfied na kayo sa type of content, sa Reels and everything and like that, ang next naman is this one. So sabi dito, Facebook Reels supports video duration 3 seconds to 90. So mahaba kasi yung Reels ko. So dapat make sure yung Reels nyo ay sakto sa oras. So, say for example, ayan na, okay na yung video nyo, may content na kayo, isusulat nyo dito yung description nyo if you want. Ito, sa taas. Yan. Sulat nyo dyan. Tapos, pwede natin siyang i-save for later. Or, pwede natin siyang schedule post. Tapos, pwede rin siyang schedule recurring post. Tapos, pwede rin siyang send post for approval if you're working for a client. Tapos, kailangan ng approval before ma-post. So, pwede siyang isend. And then, if you can just schedule it on a later date or time, you can click here. So, ayan, andito na lahat. So, this social planner is a game-changing din sa mga high-level users. Kasi all-in-one platform na siya. Imagine, Go High Level, CRM lang before na nagmamanage ng mga leads, contacts, and all of that. Pero ngayon, meron na ding social media platform.
That's it for our tech guys. It's Friday. See you next week.